Contractor Foreman makes it easy to simplify and improve the way you manage and support your people. From time cards to crew scheduling, and from lead and subcontractor management to safety meetings, Contractor Foreman has you covered. Tracking time shouldn't be expensive or complicated for you or your employees, so we fix that. With GPS location history, you will know where your employees really were throughout the day. With location-based geofencing, you can restrict your employees to only be able to clock in and out when at the job site. And with crew time cards, you can clock them all in at once. Let's take a look at some of the crew scheduling features we offer. For example, with drag and drop crew scheduling, you can finally have an easy way to schedule a whole crew all at once. Our drag and drop crew scheduling tool makes it very easy for you to assign projects to your employees or crews. And your crew can easily see their schedule from the app and receive scheduled notifications. Let's look at some of the directory features. Easily manage and track employee time off requests. Your employees can request time off, and the request gets sent to the appropriate supervisor for approval or denial. Once approved, the day off is added to the calendar. Track employee certifications. See upcoming expirations, get reminders, print to report. Does Billy have a first aid certification up for renewal this month? And is Mike's RRP certification expired? See it all in one place. You can enter your subs to include copies of their certifications, business license, insurance policies, and anything else you need to track. Get reminders when they are about to expire. You can easily see all bills and contracts associated with any sub, all in one place. And here are some of the Leads Manager features. Let's take a look at the lead capture form feature. We provide an easy way to convert your website visitors to leads. Add our lead form to your website and get notified when a new lead comes in. This lets new customers come to you. Then send your leads from Contractor Foreman to an email service provider such as MailChimp. Not only are the lead details added to the system and ready to contact, they're also getting a thank you email. And you can set it up so that they are getting a campaign keeping your name in front of your competitors. Let's look at a couple of the team chat features. With real-time messaging, there's no more waiting around checking email. Simple texting doesn't create a great paper trail. Lose your phone and there goes your conversation. Team chat allows you and your team to communicate in real time without these delays or lost conversations. We allow you to create chat groups based on common tasks. Want your office team to have their own group? No problem. Want your supervisors to have their own place to chat? No problem. Now let's take a brief look at some of the incident features. We'll start with the employee write-ups feature. Liability is real. Protect yourself with proper record keeping. When you have to write up an employee, it needs to be recorded. From discipline type to actions taken to employee signature line and even photo capability, we meet your HR needs. Contractor Foreman gives you the ability to have automatic incident reports. Incidents happen, and when they do, someone needs to know about it right away. If your supervisor in the field reports an incident, instantly let HR know with an automatic notification. Did an employee just clock out and indicate that they were injured during the day but failed to report it? We've got you covered. We create an incident on their behalf and send you the details so that you have it recorded. And here are some of the calendar features. Let's look at the Personalized Task View feature. By customizing the calendar view, we give each person on your team the ability to see just their tasks and other items they are responsible for. Our calendar system comes with some amazing filters that let you easily see what's going on. Many possible views and many easily selectable filters keeps you up to speed and informed. And because your sales reps, estimators, and bookkeepers all have different needs, let them also have different calendar views. Safety meetings have never been easier. We have over 800 safety toolbox topics built into the system with built-in discussion questions that help ensure that they understand what you are preaching. You can load your own topics or use ours, which are in both English and Spanish. And Contractor Foreman will track attendees, including photo capability. We help you stay compliant. Contractor Foreman makes your life easier as you stop guessing and start knowing who is doing what and when.